face and a tattoo on your arms, tattoo on your hands and a tattoo on your legs. Kaari, beautiful Kaari, beautiful Kaari. Oh well, where did you meet that man called Jimmy? Or was it under the bridge in Auckland City? Oh, living rough and getting cold and chilly. Jimmy, Jimmy, whoa, Jimmy, Jimmy, whoa. Oh, with a tattoo on your face and a tattoo on your arms, tattoo on your hands and a tattoo on your legs. Beautiful Kaari, beautiful Kaari, beautiful Kaari. Oh, while your mum and your dad did not like that man called Jimmy, he was taking the girl away to drink herself silly. Oh, with a glue bag in her hand and a bottle of whiskey. Jimmy, Jimmy, whoa, Jimmy, Jimmy, whoa. Oh, with a tattoo on your face and a tattoo on your arms, tattoo on your hands and a tattoo on your legs. Beautiful Kaari, a beautiful Kaari, beautiful Kaari. Oh well, now she's left that man called Jimmy, and she's left him under the bridge in Auckland City to live his life in cold and misery. Jimmy, Jimmy, whoa, Jimmy, Jimmy, whoa. Oh, with a tattoo on your face and a tattoo on your arms, tattoo on your hands and a tattoo on your legs. Beautiful Kaari, beautiful Kaari, beautiful Kaari. Oh well, now she's living a life of Riley, away from the hustles and bustles, and away from that man we've all come to know as Jimmy. Jimmy, Jimmy, whoa, Jimmy, Jimmy, whoa. Oh, with a tattoo on your face and a tattoo on your arms, tattoo on your hands and a tattoo on your legs. Beautiful Kaari, beautiful Kaari, Kaari and Jimmy, Jimmy and Kaari, Kaari and Jimmy.